Community radio, again I think we have covered this, is generally used to broadcast programs on developmental, agricultural, health, educational, social welfare, community development and cultural issues. So in case it is used for broadcast of news, then the FCRA permission is needed. Now section 8 of the FCRA provides that FC funds cannot be used for speculative business, and rule 4 prohibits speculative activity including investment. So it says in investment like land, there is one word given there, which means that land also they consider it as a speculative investment. Meaning if you are in the business of buying and selling of land, then it will be considered as a speculative investment. But if you are buying land or building for your office or your organization, then it may not be considered that way. This is very important, in the new law, it provides that there are certain sources which can be prohibited by the government of India, that they cannot fund within India. So this is that the government can use this power to say that from such and such agency or such and such country, we will not allow any foreign contribution to come into India. Now foreigners on board, we have discussed, this is not part of the law, but this is there in the FAQ of the website, that foreigners on the board only through prior permission under the following category. Under these categories only, if a foreigner is married to an Indian citizen, has been working in India for last 5 years, has specialized knowledge in the health, in medical or health related fields, foreigner is an ex officio member, officio in terms of intergovernment agreement, or foreigner is an ex officio from a multilateral body which is exempt from definition of foreign source. So only these category with prior permission foreigners can be on board.
And the definition of foreigner is a passport itself.
Yes, who is holding a foreign passport. In fact, what happens is even if there are NRIs who are living abroad, if you take them on the board and if you apply for a FCRA, the practical aspect of it has been that they go for a intelligence inquiry and they try to find these people, and if they are not there, then there is an adverse report goes in, and then that also prohibits your getting your FCRA.